Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise X, and this is episode 116 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions, and there's a lot of questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here so you're not reading 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking about dive-in theater movies in the cabins. Why did they move the clamshells? And visiting the mothership to see the ships. Are there no women involved in decision-making at Carnival? And a sailing sign card that shows you are a veteran. All right, question one. This cruiser was wondering if it would be possible to show the dive-in theater movies that are shown on Lido Deck in the cabins. It would be nice, they said, because if it's raining or if it's crappy weather or if it's just straight bombed like it normally is, they don't want to sit on the floor to watch a cool movie. John said, I'm afraid they will not be allowed to do that. There are very strict copyright rules that they have to agree to. And one of them is that it has to be shown in a public place, not a private place like your cabin. I was thinking something else, but that'd be a weird place to show a movie. But yes, I agree. The rainy day, you want to watch the movie, the show must go on, and you must get wet watching it. So it will not be shown in the cabins. Question number two. This cruiser asked, why did they move the clamshells on Half Moon Cay all the way down past Cabana 15? It is now a very long walk to get to your clamshell. And we were actually just there in December, and we were in Cabana 6. And we were looking around going, where the hell did the clamshells go? Then we looked all the way toward the end of the island, and you can see a massive amount of clamshells. So they are correct. They're way down the island now. John said he thinks it's because they're adding more buildings and different additions to the island to enhance the overall experience. So they had to move them down a little further. I know when we were there, they had the pirate ship bar, and I think the next week they tore it down and they're building a new one. So they're making some really cool improvements to Half Moon Cay. So if you like the clamshells, I hope you like walking because they are down there. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, on to question three. This cruiser was going to Miami for a business meeting, and they wanted to know if they can visit the mothership, Carnival headquarters, and go inside and see all the ship models they have of all the ships inside the mothership. I thought that'd be pretty cool too. John said he wishes they could, but they can't. You can take a photo in front of the mothership with the giant whale tail that's outside, but nobody that does not work there is allowed inside. Trade secrets, I would imagine. Could you imagine somebody from a different cruise line going, I want to take pictures, and they're just in there stealing data. Mission Impossible type stuff. Anyway, no, you can't. Go inside and take a picture of the ship models. All right, question four. This cruiser asked, are there no women involved in the decision-making in Carnival? The use of the term beards isn't insulting, but it's antiquated considering your president, Christine Duffy, is a woman. John said, yes, there are lots of wonderful ladies at very high levels within Carnival, and of course, including Christine Duffy. All of them are very comfortable with John using the term beards. It is a tribute to his late father, who always referred to anybody that's the most intelligent, brilliant people in a company as beards. It is not meant to offend. And like John said, nobody is offended by him calling the ladies that make great decisions beards. So there you go. That's why he calls them beards. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival can put a V on the sail and sign card to denote that you're a veteran. Because, as you all know, the vets are very proud and thank you for your service. They're always wearing a hat or something that shows that they were in the service. And this cruiser, who is a they're veterans themselves, think it would be pretty cool if you had like a V or some sort of veterans marker on your sail and sign card. So if you put it on the counter, you know, the guest next to you looks down and go, oh, you got a V on your card, you're a veteran, and the conversation begins. John said, thank you. I think that would be a lovely thing to do, and he absolutely agrees. He is going to include it in his report and push it up to, well, see previous question, the beards. So, yes, he's looking into it, and I think it would be pretty cool. State of Florida, where we are, has a V on your license for a veteran. So, there you go. That was episode 116 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.